What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Polygon. Currently sitting at 95 cents, up 2.8 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 7.38 billion. 24-hour volume 1.43 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So I still think there's a high likelihood we see a little bit of pullback here with our wave count. We have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour and the 1-hour as well. Now, potentially, we have met this larger wave 3 in light blue here. We have met that target. So you could potentially look at this as a wave 3. And we had a little bit of a shallow wave 4. And potentially, this was a wave 5. And we've completed the wave 3 within the wave 3. It's a possibility here. But the retracement is basically the same. If we take our fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top, and you're looking for a retracement for the minimum target for a wave 4 pullback is the 0.236, which basically we've already hit, but usually you're going to come down to the 0.382 to 0.5. So basically the retracement target is the same, 74 to about 79 cents. We are seeing a bearish divergence, so we could definitely start to see that pullback. So we could potentially be looking at the larger wave 4 pullback here. Either that, or I'm just going to, actually maybe I'll take this box out. This was our wave 3 target box, which we've already met. Well, let's just keep it in for now. The other scenario is that this is a wave 3. We see a wave 4 pullback, and then you see your final wave 5 within the wave 3 here, and then you see that wave 4 pullback and put in that final wave 5. But if we take our measurement for our wave 3 here in light blue, take our trend-based wave extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, down to the bottom of wave 2. We have come all the way up to the 2.618. We blasted straight through the 1.618, and we've come all the way up to the 2.618. So we could be looking at this as being a top for this wave 3. And this was your smaller wave 3, wave 4 pullback, final wave 5. And now we're looking for that wave 4 retracement. So if we do start to retrace here, look for a bounce off about 0.72 to about 0.802 for a potential wave 4 pullback, and see that final wave 5 that can break anywhere above the wave 3 to complete this larger wave 3. Now there is ways to measure the wave 5. You can take your trend-based wave extension from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of wave 3, down to the bottom of wave 4. Let's say wave 4 comes down to the 0.382. So the wave 5, you're looking for a 618 extension, a 61.8% extension of the wave 3. Which is currently coming in at about $1.10. So just keep an eye on that. If we do see that pullback, we start to bounce, that would be your target for the wave 5 within the wave 3. And then we see a wave 4 pullback and our final wave 5 to potentially complete a larger wave 1, which could be a signal of a large reversal for our friend Matic. Even if BTC comes up, breaks all the way up to about, 28K. Let me hop over to this chart, 26 to 28K. Matic absolutely explodes, and then BTC comes all the way down and puts in a lower low. There is a possibility that Matic doesn't put in a lower low and just sees a wave 2 pullback. Either that, or Matic does come down and breaks this low, and we'd have to be looking at a different wave count, a little something like this. This is your wave 1, had a wave 2. This was your largest wave 3. We have an overextended wave 4, and still looking for a potential wave 5 to take you down to that 16 to 18 cent price target that we've been covering on the channel. But we have had huge reversal volume, as we've been mentioning on the channel. We are overbought on the RSI as well as the money flow, and that's usually when you're going to see a move back down. As you can see right here, we had some pullback, and then we're really overbought right here. We consolidated, we pushed higher, and then finally we saw some retracement here. Would be healthy for Matic to see some pullback, in my opinion. We've just absolutely exploded, and the harder you pump, the harder the correction. So it would be good to see a little bit of pullback. We have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour. Basically, we're creating equal highs while creating lower highs on the RSI and on the money flow, and on the 1-hour as well. You can see we're basically creating equal highs while we're losing strength, and seeing a little bit of a bearish divergence on the money flow as well. So potentially we could definitely see some pullback. It would be healthy for Matic, but if it just continues to explode to the upside, then we'd be looking at extended wave 3 that we've been covering on the channel, which would just be absolutely insane, in my opinion. I'm feeling pretty sick today. I have a super sore throat and just feeling really weak. So I don't know how many videos I'm going to put out today. I might just pop over to the health store and try to pick up some remedies, because I feel pretty gross. Hopefully it's not COVID. Anyways, guys, we've almost hit that $4 major level of resistance. And our support levels to watch here, we have support coming in at about 83 cents. And it looks like our next major level is in between about 75 to about 67 cents. And our pullback zone is right around that 72 to about 80 cent range. So it would make sense that we'd find support in that area. If we do pull back, if we just continue to explode, your resistance to watch, of course, at $4, $1.16, the technical target, and then $1.35 is your next major level. We'll actually drop in a line quick here. That's your next major level of resistance for Matic. That is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. We're making some juicy profits on our Gala trade, up over 100% on our leverage trade here. I give my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership. You really can't beat it. I have my spot trades, what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions, and over 2,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. You can sign up through the Patreon link if you want to trade with me. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.